Good morning, dear students. My name is Ferhan Mazher, and today we are working on the CAIE Mathematics Syllabus D, and this the name of the subject is D Maths 4024. We are working on the solution, we are working on the syllabus, and for this purpose, today the topic we have selected is simultaneous equations. So the exercise we are going to solve today that involves story sums, or you can say the word problems related with the stories with the simultaneous equations. So today our topic is simultaneous equations, applications of the simultaneous equations in the real world context, finding two numbers given sum and difference, finding ages, finding a fraction, finding a two-digit number. The name of the chapter is Linear Graphs and Simultaneous Equations. This is chapter number 2 from the book D2. The name of the book is New Syllabus Mathematics 7th edition. So today, for this purpose, we have selected an exercise. The number of the exercise is 2F. And we will try to solve this exercise in this session, in this video. So let's start today's work. So we are going, here we go. Okay. Okay, so on your screen, you can see the exercise 2F from the book D2. So the first question coming up on your screen, he says the sum of the two numbers is 138 and their difference is 88. Find the two numbers. Okay, so suppose that the first number is X, the second number is Y. So suppose that the larger number is X, so the X plus Y is 138. He said the sum of two numbers. So it will be X plus Y equals to 138 and that their difference, which means X minus Y is 88. So these will be the two equations and I will try to solve them simultaneously. So let's start. So here we go. We have, suppose the numbers are X and Y, and the condition which they gave us that X plus Y is 138 and X minus Y is 88. So you can see that the Y and X both have the same coefficients in both the equations. And in the Y case, in one equation, the coefficient is +1. In the other equation, the coefficient of the Y is -1. So simply add the equation number 1 and 2 horizontally, and the Y will be eliminated, and you will get the value of the X. So the left side of the first equation and left side of the second equation, they will be added into each other, and the right side, it will be added into the right side. So you will have X plus Y plus X minus Y equals to 138 plus 88. So it will be X plus Y plus X minus Y equals to, when you add these two, you get 226. Y and Y will be cancelled. So you will have 2X equals to 226. So X will be equal, this 2 will go on the other side. It will divide on the other side. So you will have X equals to 113. So now I will put this value X equals to 113 in any of the equations. Suppose I take the first equation, X plus Y equals to 138. In the place of X, I will substitute to 113. So you will have 113 plus Y equals to 138. So Y will be equals to 138 minus 113. So Y will be equals to 25. So the one number is 113 and the other number is, okay, so let me show you the whole question. So my dear students, now the question number 1 is showing up on your screen. You can pause this video and you can take your time with this question. So let's go to the next question. The next question, the question number is 2. The difference between the two numbers is 10 and their sum is 4 times the smaller number. Find the two numbers. Okay, so suppose that there are two numbers, X and Y. So he says difference between the two numbers is 10. So suppose X is the larger number. So you will have X minus Y equals to 10. And their sum, and he says, and their sum is 4 times the small number. So X plus Y is equals to 4y. So these will be the two equations, and from there I will solve them simultaneously. So let's go. Okay, so let the larger number is x and the smaller number is y. First of all, they say that their difference is 10, so x minus y is equal to 10. Then he says that their sum is equals to, sum means x plus y, is equals to 4 times the smaller number. So that will be equals to 4y. So if you, I will rearrange this second equation. So you will have x plus y minus 4y equals to 0. So it will be x minus 3y equals to 0. So this is my first equation. This is my second equation. If you look at them carefully, you will find that the coefficient of the x is same in both the equations. In the first equation, it is plus 1. In the second equation, it is plus 1. So you will subtract the second equation from the first equation, and the x will be eliminated. So here you can see from the left side, I will subtract the left side. From the right side, I will subtract the right side. So x minus y minus, put a bracket here, x minus 3y bracket close equals to 10 minus 0. So x minus y, because of this negative, the signs will change. So x minus y equals to minus x plus 3y equals to 10. So now this plus x minus x, they will be cancelled. So you will have minus y plus 3y. That gives you 2y equals to 10 minus 0 is 10, 10. So y will be equals to, this 2 is multiplying here. It will go to the other side and it will divide there. So you will have 10 divided by 2 and that will be 5. So you have now the y value. So I can put this y value in first equation or in the second equation, wherever you like. So I'm going to take the first equation. So that is x minus y is equals to 10. So in the place of y, I will substitute this value, that is 5. So x minus 5 is equals to 10. So x will be equals to 10 plus 5. So x will be equals to 15. So the two numbers are 15 and 5. So let me reduce the size so you can see the whole question. So now, my dear students, the whole question is showing up on your screen. This is question number 2 from the 2F exercise and from the book D2. So now we are on the question number 3. He says a belt and a wallet cost $42. 7 belts and 4 wallets cost $213. Find the cost of the each item. Okay, so suppose the cost of the one belt is X and the cost of the one wallet is Y dollars. So a belt and a wallet cost 42.7. So it means X plus Y is equal to 42.7. For 7 belts and 4 wallets, it means 7x plus 4y is equal to $213. Find the cost of the each item. Okay, so this is how you will make these equations. So let me increase the size. Okay, so one belt costs X dollars, the one wallet costs Y dollars. The one belt and one wallet is $42. So X plus Y is equal to 42. 7 belts and 4 wallets. So 7x plus 4y, the cost is $213. So now look at carefully on the coin number 1 and coin number 2. The coefficient of x is not same. The coefficient of the y is not same. So I will try to make the coefficient same. So I will try to make the coefficient of the y same. You can make the coefficient of x also same. But I'm going to try to make the y same. Here in the second equation, the coefficient of the y is 4. Here the coefficient of y is 1. So very easy method, multiply the first equation with the 4. So the coefficient of the y in the first equation will also become 4. All the terms in the equation number 1, they will multiply with the 4. So you will have 4 in bracket x plus y bracket close and minus, and then the left side of this 7x plus 4y bracket close equals to 4 into 42 minus 213. You see, here the coefficient will become 4y. Here the coefficient will become is already 4y, but both of them are positive, so that's why we are subtracting. Okay, so you can see we are subtracting from the first equation. We are subtracting the second equation, but I have multiplied the first equation with the 4. So you will have 4x plus 4y minus 7x minus 4y equals to 168 minus 213. 4y will be cancelled. So 4x plus minus 7x, that will be minus 3x equals to minus 45. So x will be equals to 45 divided by 3, negative, negative cancel. So x will be equals to 15. So the cost of you can say a belt is $15. Now I want to find out the cost of the wallet. So I will use the first equation, which was x plus y equals to 42. And in the place of x, I will substitute 15. So x plus y is equals to 42. So it will be 15 plus y equals to 42. So y will be equals to 42 or minus 15 and y will be 27. So the cost of the one belt is $15 and the cost of the one wallet is $27. So this is how you will do this. That is question number 3. Let me reduce the size so you can see the whole question. Okay. So now, my dear students, the question number 3 is showing up on your screen. You can pause the video. You can take your time with this question. Okay, so now we are going to the next question. The next question is question number 4. He says 8 kg of potatoes and 5 kgs of carrots cost $28, whereas 2 kg of potatoes and 3 kg of carrots cost $11.20. Find the cost of 1 kg of each item. Okay, suppose the price of the potatoes is X dollars per kg and the price of the carrots is Y dollars per kg. So 8 kg potato, 5 kg carrots, it will be 8x plus 5y equals to $28. 2 kg potato and 3 kg carrot, it will be 2x plus 3y equals to $11.20. Their question is find the cost of the 1 kg of each item. Okay, so very simple and straightforward. So here we go. I'm going to increase this size. Okay, so the potato is suppose X dollars per kg and the carrots there are Y dollar per kg. So it will be 8x plus 5y equals to 28 and 2x plus 3y equals to $11.20. If you look at them carefully, I suppose that the coefficient of x is not same, the coefficient of y is not same. This time I'm going to make the x same. So for that purpose, I will have to multiply the second equation with the 4. And then the x coefficient will become same. So, but because in both of them, the x coefficient will become positive 8x, in the second equation, it will be positive 8x. So to eliminate them, we will subtract. So from the first equation, I will subtract the second equation. So from the left side will be subtracted. From the right side will be subtracted. So for this purpose, I'm going to use the horizontal method of the subtraction. So here we have. So you will have 8x plus 5a minus 4 bracket 2x plus 3y bracket close equals to 28 minus 4 bracket 11.20 bracket close. So you will have 8x plus 5y minus 8x minus 12y equals to minus 16.8. So this will be cancelled. So 5y plus minus 12y, that will be minus 7y equals to minus 16.8. So y will be equals to 16.8 divided by 7, and that will be $2.4. So once you have the value of the y, so I will use the first equation, and that is 8x plus 5y equals to 28. So 8x plus 5 bracket 2.4 bracket close is equals to 28. So 8x plus 12 equals to 28. So 8x will be equals to 28 minus 12. So 8x will be equals to 16 and x will be equals to 16 divided by 8 and x will be 2. So you got the price of the potatoes, that is $2 per kg, and the carrots, that is $2.4 per kg. So let me reduce the size so you can see the whole question together. So I hope you can see that the whole question is showing up on your screen, and this is how you will do this question. Okay, so we are going to the next question. The next question coming up on your screen is question number 5. He says two numbers are such that if 7 is added to the first number, a number twice the second number is obtained. If 20 is added to the second number, the number obtained is 4 times the first number. Find the two numbers. Okay, so suppose that the two numbers are x and y. X is the first number, y is the second number. He says two numbers aside that 7 is added to the first number, x plus 7. A number twice the second number, so x plus 7 is equals to 2y. And then he says if 20 is added to the second number, the number obtained is 4 times the first number. 4 times the first number means 4x is equals to y plus 20. So these are the two equations. We will solve them simultaneously. Let me. Okay. So on your screen, the question number 5 is showing, suppose the first number is x, the second number is y. He says that if you add 7 into the first number, you get twice the second number. So you will have x plus 7 equals to 2y. So it will be x minus 2y equals to minus 7. That is the first equation. Then he says that 4 times the first number is equals to, as you have added the 20 into the second number. So 4x is equals to y plus 20. So 4x minus y is equals to 20. So that is your second equation. Now I will check. So here x minus 2y, here we have 4x minus y. The coefficients are not same, so I will try to make the coefficient same. For that purpose, I am going to make the coefficient of the x same. So for that purpose, I will multiply the first equation with the 4, and then I will subtract them, because in both the equations, the coefficient of the x is positive. So to cancel them out, to eliminate them, the x, I will have to subtract this. So 4 bracket x minus 2y bracket close minus 4 minus bracket 4x minus y bracket close is equals to 4 minus 7 minus 20. So it will be 4x minus 8y minus 4x plus y equals to minus 28 minus 20. So this and this will be cancelled. So minus 8y plus y, it will be minus 7y equals to minus 48. So the y will be equals to minus minus is cancelled, 48 divided by 7. So the y will be 6 whole 6 by 7. Now I will take the first equation, which is x plus 7 is equals to, sorry, x minus 2y is equals to minus 7. So I will take that equation, x plus 7 is equals to 2y, x is equals to 2, and the place of the y, I will put this 48 by 7 minus 7. So I will take the LCM, so it will be by 7. It will be 96 minus 49. So 96 minus 49 is 47 divided by 7. So it will be 6 whole 5 by 7. And you divide 47 with the 7, you get 6 whole 5 by 7. So the two numbers are these. Okay, so let me reduce the size so you can see the whole question together. So on your screen, I hope. So on your screen now, you can see the question number 5. The whole question is showing up on your screen. And you can pause the video and you can take your time with this question. So we are going to the next question. The next question is question number 6. He says the sum of the two numbers is 48. If the smaller number is 1/5 of the larger number, find the two numbers. Okay. So suppose the two numbers are x and y. Let the larger number is x and the smaller number is y. He says the sum of the two numbers is 48. So x plus y is equals to 48. Then he says the 1/5 of the larger number is equals to the second number. So x by 5 is equals to y. So x equals to 5y and x minus 5y is equals to 0. That is your second equation. Now look at the equations carefully. You will see the coefficient of the x is same in both the equation. The coefficient of x is plus 1. So the coefficient is same. To eliminate them, we have to subtract them. So from the left side will be subtracted. From the right side will be subtracted. So I write x plus y, put a bracket around it, minus bracket x minus 5y, bracket close, equals to 48 minus 0. So it will be x plus y minus x plus 5y equals to 48. X and x will be cancelled. So you will have 6y. So we will have So you will have x plus, so we have 6y is equals to 48. So y will be equals to 48 divided by 6, and that will be 8. So x will be equals to 5y, and so x will be equals to 5 into 8, and that will be 40. So the two numbers are 40 and 8. So the two numbers that are represented here, they are the larger number is 40 and the smaller number is 8. So this is the solution of this equation and this question. And you can pause the video and you can take your time with this question. Okay, so we are going to the next question. It says question number 6 is showing up on your screen. The sum of two numbers is 48. If so, that was the question. So sorry, we are done with the question number 6 already. Oh, sorry. So we are. So hello. So we are going to the next question, and the next question is question number 5. It says 1/5 of the sum of the two angles is 24, and half their difference is 14. Find the two angles. Okay, so suppose the one angle is x, the other one is y. So the sum of the two angles, x plus y, is equal to 24, and half their difference, x minus y, and the whole thing divided by 2 is 14. So these are the two equations, simultaneous equations. So simply we will solve them. So this is how you will do this question. This is question number 7. And here we go. Okay. So question number 7, x plus y divided by 5. The whole thing divided by 5 is 24. So let me say, it says 1/5 of the sum of the two angles. I said x plus y, the whole thing divided by 5 is equals to 24, and half their difference. Okay. So x plus y divided by the whole thing divided by 5 is equal to 24. So x plus y is equal to 5 into 24. So x plus y will be equal to 120. So x minus y divided by 2 is equals to the whole thing divided by 2 is equal to 14. So x minus y is equals to 2 into 14, and x minus y is equals to 28. So that is the first equation. This is the second equation. If you look at them carefully, you will find that the coefficient of the y is same. In one equation it is +1, in the other equation it is -1. So simply add these two equations and the y will be eliminated. So here we go. X plus y is equal x plus y plus x minus y. Left side is added in the left side. The right side is added in the right side. So x plus y plus x minus y is equals to 120 plus 28. That will be 148. Plus y minus y, they will be cancelled. So x plus x is 2x equals to 148. So x will be equals to 148 divided by 2, and x will be equals to 74. So now you have the value of the x, just put it in the first equation and you will find the value of the y also. So x plus y is equals to 120. In the place of x, I will substitute 74. 74 plus y is equals to 120. Y is equals to 120 minus 74. So y will be equals to 46. So this is how you will do the question number 7. So let me reduce the size so you can see the whole question together. So, my dear students, question number 7 is showing up on your screen, and you can pause the video and you can take your time with this question. Now we are on question number 8. The figure shows an equilateral triangle with its sides as indicated. Find the length of each side of the triangle. Okay. So this is an equilateral triangle. In the equilateral triangle, all the three sides are equal to each other. The side 1 is equal to side 2, side 2 is equal to side 3, side 3 is equal to side 1. So all the sides, they are equal in length. That's why we call it equilateral triangle. So that means that the 2x minus 7 is equal to y plus 5, y plus 5 is equal to x plus y minus 9, and this is equal to this. Okay, so 2x minus 7 is also equal to x plus y minus 9, because this is equilateral triangle. In equilateral triangle, the opposite sides, the sides are same. Okay, so we are going to the next. Here we go. So 2x minus 7 will be equal to y plus 5, and that will be my first equation. and x plus y minus 9 will be equals to y plus 5. Okay. So 2x minus 7 is equals to y plus 5. So 2x minus y is equals to 5 plus 7. So 2x minus y will be equals to 12. That is my first equation. And then we will say x plus y minus 9 is equals to y plus 5. So x plus y minus y is equals to 5 plus 9. So the x will be equals to 14. We got the value of the x. So I will just put this value in the first equation in the place of x. 2x minus y is equals to 12. 2 into 14 minus y is equals to 12. So 28 minus y is equals to 12. So minus y will be equals to 12 minus 28. So minus y will be equals to minus 16. Minus will be cancelled. So y is equals to 16. Now I have the value of the x and the value of the y. X is 16 and the y is 16. Okay, now the length number 1, that is 2x minus 7. The 2 into 14 minus 7, 28 minus 7, that is 21. The length number 2 is y plus 5. So it will be 16 plus 5, that will be 21 centimeter. And the length number 3, that is x plus y minus 9. Just substitute the values of x and y. So we will have 14 plus 16 minus 9. So it will be 30 minus 9, and that will be 21. So you can see, because it's an equilateral triangle, all its three sides, they are equal to each other. So my dear students, question number 8 is showing up on your screen. So the next question, question number 9, is showing up on your screen. He says the figure shows a rectangle with its length and breadth as indicated. Given that the perimeter of the rectangle is 120 centimeter, find the area of the rectangle. So here we have a rectangle, in the rectangle, the opposite sides, they are equal to each other. So this side and this side, they are equal to each other. This side and this side, they are equal to each other. So, and another important thing is the perimeter of the rectangle is given. The perimeter formula is, the perimeter is 2 length plus 2 width, and that is 120 centimeters. Okay. Okay. Okay, so I will equate this and this. So 3x minus y is equals to 2x plus y. 3x minus 2x minus y minus y. 3x minus 2x minus y equals to 0. So you will have x minus 2y equals to 0. Okay, the perimeter is given, that is 120 centimeter. So the perimeter will be this plus this plus this plus this. This is also 2x minus 3. So the perimeter will be equals to 2x minus 3 plus 2x minus 3 plus 3x minus y plus 2x plus y equals to 120. So you will have 9x minus 6 equals to 120. So 9x will be equals to 120 plus 6. So 9x will be equals to 126. X will be equals to 126 divided by 9, and x will be equals to 14. So now put this value in the coin number 1. The coin number 1 is x minus 2y equals to 0. So in the place of x, I will put 14. So you will have 14 minus 2y equals to 0. So minus 2y is equals to minus 14. So y will be equals to 14 by 2, and that will be 7. Now, the length of the each side we can find. So the length, one length is 2x plus y, and that will be 2 into 14 plus 7. That's 28 plus 7, and that will be 35. The width will be 2x minus 3, and that will be 2 into 14 minus 3, and that will be 28 minus 3, and that will be 25. Now the area of this rectangle, their final question was, what is the area? Find the area of the rectangle. The area of the rectangle is length multiplied width, and the length is 35 and the width is 25. So when you will multiply them, you will get 875. You will get 875 centimeter square. So this is how you will do the question number 9. So let me reduce the size. So the question number 9 is showing up on your screen. You can pause the video and you can take your time with this video, with this solution, I mean. So the next question coming up on your screen is question number 10, sorry. The figure shows a rhombus with its sides as indicated. Find the parameter of the figure. Okay, so this is a rhombus. All the sides are equal to each other. In the rhombus, we have four sides, and all the four sides are equal to each other. So this is rhombus. So it means that this is equal to this is equal to this. So from here, I will make two equations, and then I will solve them. I will find the value of the x, I will find the value of the y, and then I will find out the lengths, and then I will add them. So that will be the parameter. So here we go. This is that rhombus, and all its four sides are equal to each other. So what we will do, and you can see here, I will make this and this equals to each other. So 2x plus y equals to 2x plus y plus 1 is equals to x minus y. So you will have 2x minus x plus y equals to minus 1. So I have rearranged them, and now you will have x plus 2y equals to minus 1. That is my first equation. Then I will make this side and this side equal to each other, and you can see here x minus y is equals to x minus y is equals to you can see equals to 3x minus y minus 2, the whole thing divided by 2. That 2 will come to this side, it will multiply. So 2 bracket x minus y bracket close equals to 3x minus y minus 2. So you will have 2x minus 2x minus 2y equals to 3x minus y minus 2. And then you will have 2x minus 3y minus 2y plus y equals to minus 2. So you will have minus x minus y equals to minus 2. That is my second equation. This is my first equation. And if you look at them carefully, you will find that the coefficient of the x is 1 and 1. In one equation, it is plus 1. In the other equation, it is minus 1. So simply by adding these two, I can find out, I will be able to find out the value of the y. So I will add the first equation and the second equation. The left side will be added into the left side. The right side will be added into the right side. So x plus 2y plus bracket minus x minus y bracket close equals to minus 1 plus bracket minus 2 bracket close. It will be x plus 2y minus x minus y equals to minus 1 minus 2. Y will be this, and this is cancelled. So 2y minus y, it will be y equals to minus 1 minus 2, that's minus 3. So the value of the y is minus 3. Now the value of the x I can find by putting this y value in the first equation. The first equation is here, you can see. So x plus 2y is equals to minus 1. So x plus 2 into minus 3 equals to minus 1. And that will be x minus 6 is equals to minus 1. So x will be equals to minus 1 plus 6. And x will be equals to 5. So now I have the values of the x and the y. Now the length of the one side of that rhombus will be, one side is x minus y. So it will be 5 minus 3, and that will be x plus 3, and that will be equals to 8. So the length of the rhombus is 8. So the perimeter of the rhombus is 4L. So for the four sides, you added the four sides. So 4 into 8, and that will be 32. And that will be 32. So the perimeter of this rhombus is 32. So let me reduce the size so you can see the whole question. And okay, so now this is the question number 10. It's first portion. You can pause the video, and this is the second portion. Yes. No, I'm still on recording. Okay, so the question number 11, if 1 is subtracted from the numerator and from the denominator of a fraction, the value obtained is 1 by 2. If 1 is added to its numerator and to its denominator, the resulting value is 2 by 3. Find the fraction. So we will suppose that the numerator is x, the denominator is y, and the fraction will be x by y. So let me show you the solution. Okay, so suppose that the numerator is x and the denominator is y, so the fraction will be x by y. He says that if I subtract 1 from the numerator and the denominator, the fraction will be 1 by 2. So x minus 1 divided by y minus 1, and that will be equals to 1 by 2. Cross multiply, so you will have 2x minus 2 equals to y minus 1. So x minus y is equals to minus 1 plus 2. So 2x minus y will be equals to 1. So that is my first equation. Then they said if 1 is added to both the numerator and the denominator, the fraction will become 2 by 3. So cross multiply, so 3x plus 3 is equals to 2y plus 2. So 3x minus 2y is equals to 2 minus 3. So 3x minus 2y is equals to minus 1. So that is my second equation. Now, if you look at the first equation and the second equation, you can see the coefficients of the x and the y, they are not same. So I will try to make the coefficient of the y same. So for that purpose, I will multiply the first equation with the 2, and then I will subtract both the equations from each other. Okay. So 2 bracket 2x minus y bracket close minus bracket 3x minus 2y bracket close equals to 2 into 1 minus and minus 1. So it will be 4x minus 2y minus 3x plus 2y equals to 3. So 2y and 2y minus 2y plus 2y, they will be cancelled. So you will have 4x minus 3x, that will be x equals to 3. So the value of the x is we have just found. I will substitute this x value in the first equation. The first equation is 2x minus y equals to 1. So we will have 2x minus y equals to 1. So 2 into 3 minus y is equals to 1. And minus y will be equals to 1 minus 6. Minus y will be equals to minus 5. And y will be equals to 5. So the fraction will become x. The fraction was x by y. The value of the x is 3. The value of the y is 5. So the fraction will be 3 by 5. So the fraction is 3 by 5. So this is how you will do this question. So let me reduce the size so you can see the whole question together. Okay, so this is the question number 11 showing up on your screen. You can pause the video. You can take your time with this question. So we are going to the next question. The next question is question number 12. He says, the giant pandas CAIE and Gia reside at the river safari. The sum of their ages when they first arrived in the Singapore in 2013 was 11 years. In 2022, CAIE will be 3 times as old as Gia was in 2013. So CAIE will be 3 times as old as Gia was in 2013. Find their ages in 2014. So this is the question. So we will suppose that in the 2013, the CAIE's age is X and the Gia's age is Y. So in 2013, the sum of their ages was 11. So it means X plus Y is equals to 11. In 2022, the CAIE's age will be X plus 9 and the Gia's age in 2022 will be Y plus 9. Why I added 9? Because from 2013 to 2022, there will be 9 years. Okay, so their age will increase by 9 years. They said that the CAIE's age in 2022 is 3 times the age of Gia in 2013. So it means X plus 9 is equals to 3 times the Y. So that X minus 3Y is equals to minus 9. That's the second equation. So if you look at them carefully, the coefficient of the X is same. In the first equation, it is plus 1. In the second equation, it is plus 1. So subtract the equations and you will eliminate X. So X plus Y minus bracket X minus 3Y bracket close equals to 11 minus minus 9. So you will have X plus Y minus X plus 3Y equals to 11 plus 9. So it will be 4Y equals to 20. So Y will be equals to 20 by 4 and that will be 5. So Y will be 5. Now, I will substitute this value in the first equation. The first equation was X plus Y equals to 11. So X plus 5 is equals to 11. X is equals to 11 minus 5. So the X will be equals to 6. So ages in the 2014, CAIE will be X plus 1, and that will be 6 plus 1, that will be 7. Gia's age will be Y plus 1 in 2014. In 2013, her age was Y. So it will be Y plus 1. So Y is 5. So 5 plus 1, that is 6 years. So this is how you will do this question. I hope you understand this question. A little tricky question. So the question number 12, the whole question is showing up on your screen, and you can pause the video and you can take your time with this question. So the next question coming up on your screen is question number 13. He says 6 adults and 4 senior citizens have to pay $228, while 13 adults and 7 senior citizens have to pay $459 to visit an exhibition at the Art Science Museum. Find the total amount 2 adults and a senior citizen have to pay to visit the exhibition. Okay, so suppose that the adult ticket is X dollars and the senior citizen ticket is Y dollars. So 6 adults and 4 senior citizens, the cost is 228. So 6X plus 4Y is equals to $228. That is the first equation. 13 adults and 7 senior citizens, the cost is $459. So the 13X plus 7Y is equals to $459. So here you can see the coefficients are not same. So I will try to make the coefficients of the y same. You can also make the coefficients of the x same, but I am going to make the y same. So 4y, 7y, how you can make them same? The first equation should be multiplied with the 7, and the second equation should be multiplied with the 4, and then you should subtract them. When you subtract them, the left side of the equation is subtracted from the left side, the right side of the equation is subtracted from the right side. So the first equation is going to be multiplied with the 7, second equation is going to be multiplied with the 4, and then we are going to subtract them. So 7 bracket 6x plus 4y bracket close minus 4 bracket 13x plus 7y bracket close equals to 7 into 2 to 8 minus 4 into 459. So you will have 42x plus 28y minus 52x minus 28y equals to minus 240. So 28y minus 28y, they will be cancelled. So you have minus 10x equals to minus 240. Minus cancelled. So x equals to 240 divided by 10. So x will be equals to 24. So now you have the value of the x. So I will use the first equation, 6x plus 4y equals to 228. So 6 into 24 plus 4y equals to 228. So 4y is equal to 228 minus 1 for 4. 4y will be equals to 84. Y will be equals to 84 divided by 4. And y will be 21. So we got the value of the x and the y. The adult tickets cost you $24. The senior citizen ticket is $21. So they said 2 adults and 1 senior citizen, how much it will cost? 2x plus 1y equals to question. So 2 into 24 plus 1 into 21. And that will be 48 plus 21. That will be $69. So the cost will be $69. So let me reduce the size so you can see the whole question together. So my dear students, question number 13 is solution is showing up on your screen. You can pause the video and take your time with this question. Question number 14 from the exercise 2F from the book D2 New Syllabus Mathematics 7th edition. Lixon intends to buy either a gift A, which costs $10, or gift B, which costs $8. On Christmas gifts as Christmas gifts for each of her parents and 2 siblings, 13 relatives, and 10 friends. Given that she intends to spend $230, find the number of each gift she should buy. Okay. So let the number of gift A is X, the number of gift B is Y, and then we will start the solution. This is the first consideration which I'm going to make. So number of the gifts A, they are supposed X. The number of gifts B, they are supposed they are Y. So the total gifts she wants to have to buy, there are two parents, 2 siblings, and 13 relatives, 10 friends. Okay. So you will have 2 plus 2 plus 13 plus 10, so 27 gifts. So X plus Y is 27. That is my first equation. The price of the gift A is 10 and the price of the gift B is $8. So 10x plus 10y, and she's going to spend $230. So that price should be $230. The cost should be, total cost should be $230. Okay. So now if you look at them carefully, equation number 1, equation number 2, I will multiply the first equation with the 10 and then I will subtract them. So I'm going to make the coefficient of the x same, and once I will make the coefficient of x same, because in both the equation it will be positive 10, so I have to subtract them to eliminate x. So it will be 10 bracket x plus y bracket close minus bracket 10x minus plus 8y bracket close equals to 10 into 27 minus 230. So you will have 10x plus 10y minus 10x minus 8y equals to 270 minus 230, and plus 10x minus 10x, they will be cancelled. So 10y minus 8y, it will be 2y, and that will be equals to 40. So y will be equals to 40 divided by 2, and the y will be equals to 20. Then I will put the value of the y equals to 20 in the first equation. So x plus y equals to 27. In the place of y, I will substitute 20. So x plus 20 is equals to 27. So x will be equals to 27 minus 20, and x will be equals to 7. So we found the value of the x and the y. So these are the number of gifts. She will buy 7 gift A and 20 gift B. So this is how you do this question. So let's exercise. So my dear student, question number 14 is solution is showing up on your screen. You can pause the video and you can take your time with this solution. So we are on the next question. The next question is question number 15. There are some chickens and goats on a farm, given that the animals have a total of 50 heads. So the total number of animals, because each animal has one head, so there are 50 heads. It means the total number of chicken and goats, total, the sum is 50. And 140 legs. Each chicken has 2 legs and each goat has 4 legs. So the total legs are 140. How many more chickens than goats are there? So we will suppose that the chicken are X and the goats are Y. And so the number of heads were 50. So it means the number of animals is 50. So X plus Y is equal to 50. Each chicken has 2 legs and each goat has 4 legs. So 2x plus 4y, the total legs are 140. So 2x plus 4y is equals to 140. So that's my second equation. So the x is not same, the coefficient is not same. So I will multiply the first equation with the 2 to make the x coefficient same. Then I will subtract them. When you subtract from the left side of the equation, you subtract the left side of the equation. When you answer from the right side, you subtract the right side. So 2 bracket x plus y bracket close minus 2 bracket 2x plus 4y bracket close equals to 2 into 50 minus 140. So it will be 2x plus 2y minus 2x minus 4y equals to 100 minus 140. So minus 2y is equals to minus 40 and minus minus cancel. So y will be equals to 40 divided by 2. So y will be equals to 20. So in the first equation, x plus y was equals to 50. So in the place of y, I will substitute 20. So x plus 20 is equals to 50. So x is equals to 50 minus 20. So x will be equals to 30. So the number of chicken, 30, and the number of goats, 20. So how much is the difference between the chicken and the goat? 30 minus 20, and that is 10. So there are 10 more chickens than the goats. So my dear students, the solution of the question number 15 is showing up on your screen, and you can pause the video and you can take the time with this question. Okay, so we are going to the next question. The next question is question number 16. $80 is divided between Ethan and Michael, such that 1/4 of Ethan's share is equals to 1/6 of Michael's share. How much does each of them receive? So the total money to be divided is $80. Suppose the Athens share is X and the Michael's share is Y. So X plus Y will be equals to $80. That will be my first equation. Then he says that 1/4 of Athens' share, 1/4 means 1/4 of the x, is equals to 1/6. 1/6 means 1/6 is Michael's share. So 1/6 of the y. So 1/4 x is equals to 1/6 of the y. So very easy. We can make the equations from them and we can solve them. So let's see how we can do that. So here we go. So suppose that the Athens share is X dollars, the Michael share is Y dollar, X plus Y is the total money. So X plus Y is equals to $80. That is my first equation. Then he says the 1/4 of the X is equals to 1/6 of the Y. Cross, we can X by 4 minus Y by 6 equals 0. Take the LCM, that will be 24. So you will have 3X minus 2Y divided by 24 equals 0. That so their LCM is, sorry, 12. So 3x minus 2y by 12 is equal to 0. This 12 will go on the other side. It will multiply with the 0 and it will become 0. So you will have 3x minus 2y equals to 12 into 0. So 3x minus 2y equals 0. That is my second equation. If you look at the first equation and you look at the second equation, simply multiply the first equation with the 2. The y coefficient will become same. In one equation, it is plus 2y. In the other equation, it is minus 2y. And simply add them and you will be good. The y will be eliminated. So 2 bracket x plus y bracket close plus bracket 3x minus 2y bracket close equals to 2 into 80 plus 0. 2x plus 2y plus 3x minus 2y equals to 160. Plus 2y minus 2y, they will be cancelled. So 2x plus 3x is, that's 5x, equals to 160. So x will be equals to 160 divided by 5. And x will be equals to 160 divided by 5, and that's 32. Now, the first equation is x plus y equals to 80. So 30, in the place of x, I will substitute 32. So 32 plus y equals to 80. So y will be equals to 80 minus 32, and that will give me $48. So the share of the Athens is $32, and share of the Michael, and the share of the Michael is how much it was? $48. So now, my dear students, question number 16 is solution is showing up on your screen, and you can pause the video and you can take your time with this question. So we are going to the next question. The next question is question number 17. He says, Rui Feng deposited a total of $25,000 in the bank A and the bank B at the beginning of 2013. So total amount, the money they have put in the bank A and the bank B, the total amount is $25,000. Some money was put in the bank A, some money was put in the bank B. The bank A and the bank B pay the simple interest at rate of the 0.6% and 0.65% per annum respectively. He withdrew all his money from the two banks at the end of 2013. If the amount of interest he earned from each bank is the same, find the amount of money he deposited in each bank. Suppose the principal amount in the bank A is X and the principal amount in the bank B is Y. X plus Y is $25,000. You know the rate, the formula for the simple interest is I is equals to PRT divided by 100. The rate of interest for the bank A is 0.6%. The rate of interest for the bank B is 0.65%. And the time is 1 year. At the end of 1 year, the interest in both the banks was the same. Okay, so we are going to solve them. The solution is coming up on your screen, and here we go. So the money deposited in the bank A, suppose is X dollars. The money deposited in the bank B, suppose is Y dollars. And the total money he deposited was 25,000. So X plus Y is equals to $25,000. So the interest in the bank A, that the formula is PRT divided by 100. The principal amount is X. The rate is 0.6. The time is 1 year. So X into 0.6 into 1 divided by 100, that will be 0.006X dollars. The rate, the simple, sorry, I said red. The simple interest from the bank B will be PRT divided by 100. The principal is Y. The rate is 0.65 and the time is 1 year and the whole thing divided by 100. So it will be 0.0065Y. The the total, the interest from the A bank and the B bank, the interest at the end is same. So I will make them same. 0.006x is equals to 0.0065y. So bring this to the other side. So 0.006x minus 0.0065y equals to 0. Now you have to equation this equation and this equation. So I will make the coefficients of the x same. So for that purpose, I'm going to make the first equation. I will multiply the first equation with the 0.006. And then I will subtract both the equations. So you can see here 0.006 bracket x plus y bracket close minus 0.006x minus 0.0065y bracket close equals to 0.006 bracket 25,000 bracket close minus 0. So when you multiply this, you will get 0.006x plus 0.006y minus 0.006x plus 0.0065y equals to 150. So 0.006x minus 0.006x, they will be cancelled. So a 0.006y and plus 0.0065y, it will be 0.0125y equals to 150. So y will be equals to 150 divided by 0.0125. So the y will be equals to $12,000. So now you have the value of the y. Just take the first equation. That was x plus y is equals to 25,000. And in the place of the y, substitute the value 12,000. So in the place of the y, I will put 12,000. So you will have x plus 12,000 is equals to 25,000. So x will be equals to 25,000 minus 12,000, and the x value will be $13,000. So in the bank A, they have deposited $13,000, and then in the bank B, they have deposited $12,000. So this is how you will do the question number 17. Question. So because this question is little, so let me show you step by step. So this is the first part of that questions. You can pause the video. You can take your time with this. And this is the second. This is the second part of that question. So now we are on question number 18 from the exercise 2F. Two numbers are such that when the larger number is divided by the smaller number, both the quotient and the remainder are equal to 2. If 5 times the smaller number is divided by the larger number, and both the quotient and the remainder are also equals to 2. So find the two numbers. So you see, whenever you divide the two numbers with each other and they are not perfectly divided, so you always get a remainder, you always get a quotient. And so let me show you how this is done. So this is question number on your screen, question number 18. So question number 18 is showing up on your screen. You can do this. Larger number is x, the smaller number is y. So when you divide the x with the y, the quotient is 2 and the remainder is 2. So when you write this thing in the form of a equation, so this is the dividend, this is the divisor, and so the quotient plus the remainder. So whenever you write a remainder, under that remainder, you always write the divisor. So, so you have 2 plus 2 by y. It's very important. Okay. So quotient plus remainder, and under the remainder, you always write the divisor. So x by y is equals to take the LCM here, 2y plus 2, and the whole thing divided by y. So here, y and y will be cancelled. So x is equals to 2y plus 2. So x minus 2y is equals to 2. So that is my first equation. And then he says, if you divide, then he says, if 5 times the smaller number is divided by the larger number. So if you divide 5y with the x, the quotient will be 2 and the remainder will be 2. And I told you, you write it when you write this thing in the equation. So the dividend, the divisor, and quotient plus the remainder by the divisor. So 2 plus 2, and under the remainder, you always write the divisor. So x plus 2 divided by x, and take the LCM here. So you will have x, and here you will have 2x plus 2. So x and x will be cancelled. So you will have 5y equals to 2x plus 2. So bring this 2x to the other side. So you will have minus 2x plus 5y equals to 2. So that is my second equation. So if you look at the first equation, that is x minus 2y, and the second equation is minus 2x plus 5y. So I will make the coefficient of the x same, simply multiply the first equation with the 2 and add it into the second equation. So we will have 2 bracket x minus 2y bracket close plus bracket minus 2x plus 5y bracket close equals to 2 into 2 plus 2. So we will have 2x minus 4y minus 2x plus 5y equals to 4 plus 2. So 2x minus 2x, they will be cancelled with each other. So minus 4y plus 5y, and that will be y. So 4 plus 2, that's 6. So y is equals to 6. So now once I have got the value of the y, I will substitute in the first equation. The first equation was x minus 2y is equals to 2. So in the place of the y, I will substitute 6. So x minus 2 into 6 is equals to 2. So x minus 12 is equals to 2. So x is equals to 2 plus 12. So x is equals to 14. So x value is 14. So the larger number is 14 and the smaller number is 6. So I have already checked all these questions. I have already checked them. So this is the first portion of that question, and you can pause the video here, and this is the second portion of the question. So you can pause the video here. This is the solution of the question number 18 on your screen. So now on your screen, question number 19 is showing up. A 2-digit number is such that the sum of its digits is 1/8 of the number. When the digits of the number are reversed and the number is subtracted from the original number, the result obtained is 45. Find the original number. Okay, so we are talking about a 2-digit number. So whenever I say 2-digit number, in one digit will be unit and the other digit will be 10. So when you write a number, for example, let's say I say 28. So when I say 28, 8 is unit and the 2 is 10. So the actual value of the 2 is 2 multiplied 10, and the 8 value is actually 8 into 1. So for example, suppose I say 37. So 7 is unit and the 3 is 10. The actual value of that 3 is in that number is 3 into 10 plus 7 into 1. So in the same way, suppose the digits are, the unit digit is y and the tens digit is x, then the number will be 10x plus y. 10x plus y will be the number. And if you reverse the digits, for example, if you have 24 and when you reverse it becomes 42. So if you reverse the digits, then the number will become 10y plus x. Okay. So let me show you how I have done this. It's a very easy. I hope you have learned this concept in your previous classes. So suppose the unit is y and the 10 is x. So the number will be whatever the digit is on the 10, that is multiplied with the 10. So 10x plus y, that is the number. Okay, so he says the sum of the digits means x plus y is equals to 1/8 of the number. So x plus y is equals to 1/8 of the, in the bracket you will write 10x plus y. So that 8 will go to the other side. So you will have 8x plus 8y equals to 10x plus y. So 8x minus 10x plus 8y minus y equals to 0. You will have minus 2x plus 7y equals to 0. Okay, so that is my first equation. Then he says when you reverse the number, it will become x plus 10y. Okay, the number will, when you reverse it, you see the original number that was 10x plus y. When you reverse the digits, it will become x plus 10y. Now he says when you reverse the number, the old number and difference between the previous number and this number is 45. So 10x plus y minus bracket x plus 10y bracket close equals to 45. So 10x plus y minus x minus 10y is equals to 45. So 9x minus 9y is equals to 45. Divide all of them with the 9, or you can take the 9 common. So x minus y is equals to 45 by 9. So x minus y is equals to 5. So that's my second equation. My first equation is minus 2x plus 7y equals to 0. And my second equation is x minus y equals to 5. So I will multiply the second equation with the 2 and I will add it in the first equation. So you will have minus 2x plus 7y plus 2 bracket x minus y bracket close equals to 0 plus 2 bracket 5 bracket close. So you will have minus 2x plus 7y plus 2x minus 2y equals to 10. So minus 2x plus 2x, they will be cancelled with each other, plus 7y minus 2y, that will be 5y. So 5y is equals to 10. So y will be equals to 10 by 5. So y will be equals to 2. So now I have the value of the y. I will take the first, or I'm going to take the second equation, which says x minus y is equals to 7. So in the place of y, I will substitute it with the 2. So x minus y is equals to 5. So x minus 2 is equals to 5. So x will be equals to 5 plus 2, and x will be equals to 7. So the y value is 2 and the x value is 7. So the number will be, the original number was 10x plus y. So the 10 into 7 plus 2. So the 70 plus 2. So the number is 72. So let me show you. So this is the first portion of that question, the solution of that question. And here we have the second part of the solution. This is the second part of the solution. So you can pause the video and you can take your time with the solution. Raj has $10. If he buys 8 pears and 5 mangoes, he will be short of $1.10. If he buys 5 pears and 4 mangoes, he will receive $1.75 in change. Find the price of 1 pear and 1 mango. Okay, so if he buys 8 pears and 5, the price of the pear is x, the price of the mango is y. So 8x plus 5y, that is the cost. He has $10, so he will be short of 1.10. So the total cost will be 10 plus 1.10. He buys 5 pears and 4 mangoes. So 5x plus 4y. The cost will be, because he has $10, so he will get a change of $1.75. So the cost of these is 10 minus 1.75. So this is the basic concept on which I'm going to make that equation. So I hope you understand this, and you have to be smart and you have to be quick. Okay. So the price of the pear is X dollars. The price of 1 mango is Y dollars. 8x plus 5y will be equal to 10 plus 1.10. So the 8x plus 5y will be equal to $11.10. The second thing is says 5 pears and 4 mangoes. 5x plus 4y is equals to 10 minus 1.75. So 5x plus 4y is equals to 8.25. A very tricky statement in the question. Okay. So this is my first equation. This is my second equation. I can make the coefficient of x same, or I can make the coefficient of y same. I'm going to make the coefficient of the x same. So for that purpose, I'm going to multiply the first equation with the 5 and the second equation with the 8, and then I'm going to subtract them. From the left side of the equation, the left side will be subtracted. From the right side of the equation, the right side of the will be subtracted. So you will have 5 bracket 8. You will have 5 bracket 8x plus 5y bracket close minus 8 bracket start 5x plus 4y bracket close equals to 5 into 11.10 bracket close minus 8 into 8.25 bracket close. So this will be 40x plus 25y minus 40x minus 32y equals to 55.50 minus 66. So you see the plus for 40x and minus 40x, they will be cancelled with each other. And 25y minus 32y, that will be minus 7y equals to minus 10.5. Minus will be cancelled. So y will be equals to 10.5 divided by 7. And the y will be equals to $1.5. So we got the price of 1 mango. That will be $1.5. So now I have the value of the y. I will substitute it in the first equation. So it is 8x plus 5y equals to 11.10. So 8x plus 5 bracket 1.5 bracket close equals to 11.10. 8x plus 7.5 is equals to 11.10. 8x is equals to 11.10 minus 7.5. So 8x is equals to 3.6. So x will be equals to 3.6 divided by 8, and that will be $0.45. So the price of one, I think, what were they? Peer is, just found it, that was $0.4545. So let me reduce the size so I can show you the solution. That is the first portion of the solution. You can pause the video and you can take your time with this. And this is the second portion of the solution. So my dear students, you can pause the video and you can take your time with this question. Okay. So here we have Huxan's mother buys some shares of company A on the day 0. On day 7, the share price of the company A is $4.60. If she sells all her shares of the company A and buys 200 shares of the company B on the day 7, she would receive $7,400. On the day 12, the share price of the company A is $4.80 and the share price of the company B is $0.50, less $0.50 less than that on the day 7. If she sells all her shares of the company A and buys 5,000 shares of the company B on the day 12, she would have to pay $5,800 fine. The number of shares of the company A Huxan's mother has. The second part is the share price of the company B on the day 12. Okay. So it's a very, very tricky statement. Okay. So very tricky statement. So quite unusual statement. On the day 0, suppose the share of the company A, the number of shares of the company A are X. And on the day 0, the price of the share of the company B is Y. On the day 7, so she has uh, sold her all the shares of the company A. So 4.60 into X, that's the money she will get. And by the sale of the company, shares of the company A, and she bought 2,000 shares of the company B. So the price of them was Y. So it will be minus 2,000 into Y, and the remaining money she will have after buying the shares of the company B will be $7,400. So that is my first equation. Very tricky statement. Very, very tricky statement. Okay. If that thing is done on the day number 12, so the price of the share of the company A on the day 12 is $4.80 per share, and she has X number of shares, so she sold them. So the money she is going to get is 4.8 into X. From that money, she bought 5,000 shares of the company B. But the price of the company, the share of the company B today is not Y, it is $0.50 less. So the price of the share of the company B is today on the day 12 is 5 minus 0.50. So 4.8 into X minus 5,000 bracket Y minus 0.50 bracket close. And she has to pay herself more money. How much more money? $5,800. Very tricky statement. Very, very tricky statement. Okay, so it will be 4.8x minus 5000y plus 2500 equals to minus 5800. So 4.8x minus 5000y equals to minus 5800 minus 2500. So 4.8x minus 5000y equals to minus 8300. So that is my second equation. So if you want to make the coefficient of the, uh, y same, so multiply simply the first equation with the 5 and the second equation with the 2. So you can see here, and then you will subtract them. Very tricky question. So 5 into 4.5 bracket 4.60x minus 2000y bracket close minus 2 into 4.8x minus 5000y bracket close equals to 5 into 74,000 minus 2 into minus 8300. It will be 23x minus 10,000y minus 9.6x plus 10,000y equals to 37,000 plus 16,600. Minus 10,000y plus 10,000y, they will be cancelled with each other, and 23x minus 9.6x, and that will be 13.4x, and that will be equals to 53,600. So x will be equals to 53,600 divided by 13.4, and that will be 4,000. So the number of shares of the company she has is 4,000 shares. So that is the A part of this question. Very tricky statement. And you can see the number involved. They can confuse you. Okay, now the share of the company A are 4,000. Now I know the value of the x. I will put this value into my first equation. So 4.6 into x minus 2000y is equal to 7,400. So 4.6 into 4,000 minus 2,000 into y equals 7,400. So it will be 184,000 minus 2,000 y equals 7,400. So minus 2,000 y equals 7,400 minus, sorry, I wrote a zero, an extra zero, I think here. This zero is not here, okay? So it will be 18400. So when you subtract them, correct this mistake, this zero is not here. This zero I by mistake written here. So minus 2,000 y is equals to minus 11,000. Minus minus will be cancelled. So y will be equals to 11,000 divided by 2,000. That will be 5. So it means the price of the share of the company B on the day 12 will be, that's their question. The price of the company B's share on the day 12 was y minus 0.50. So it will be 5.5 minus 0.50, and that will be $5. So when I was writing, I by mistake put an extra zero here. This extra zero is not here. So it is 18,400. This zero is not there. Please correct this. Okay. So the share of the company B is $5. Okay. So this is the first part of that question. I think I should increase the size. It's a little tricky question. That is question number 21. It's the first part. And that is the last part. Question number 21. So my dear students, I hope you have learned from this video. If you find this video useful to you, and if you find this video interesting and you have learned something from this video, if you think that this video can help your friends, please like this video, share the link of this video onto your Facebook, onto your Instagram, and onto your Twitter accounts. And because this helps me promote my channel. It's a great blessing for me that I can make these videos and I can touch so many students around the globe. And it's a blessing. Thank you very much, everyone. Keep studying. Thank you very much once again. Have a good day. God bless you all.